Hey you guys, welcome back to Lisa & Company, and today we are doing one of my favorite kind of videos, and that is trash to treasure. We are taking a box I picked up at the Habitat for Humanity Restore, and we are turning it into a Valentine's themed family game night. Now if you like trash to treasure as much as I do, you're gonna want to hear this. I am co-hosting a Trash to Treasure open collab with Sandra from the Schwowin's Nest. Take a look at her channel. If you haven't before, she is so creative and she just puts out great content over and over and over again. So go and check her out, and why don't you join us? The videos will be going live at 8 a.m. on January the 17th. All we ask is that you link both of our channels in your description box, mention us, and add the playlist so that everybody can watch all the videos. I hope that sounds good to you guys. In the meantime, let's get started. We're starting with a box I picked up at the Habitat for Humanity Restore. This box was $3. Pretty good to begin with, but I picked it up on 50% off day, so it only cost me $1.50. Then I'm going to use some pieces of wood I had in the garage. This was part of a 2" by 3" stud. I cut it down, and because a 2x3 is actually only 2.5 inches, I turned these into 2.5 by 2.5 inch blocks. Hopefully that's not too much math for you. We're going to get these all sorted out, and this box is going to be a great place to store this new family game. Using my Dollar Tree scraper, I was able to get rid of that Crown Royal logo quick and easy. I have never scraped anything off glass before, and I was a little concerned that this was etched rather than just print it off, and then we would have had to do something entirely different, but it came off quickly. I decided to remove all the hardware rather than go through the chaos of trying to take it off. Now I will say, thank goodness for my little dollar store mini screwdriver set, because these screws were so tiny. I did manage to get them all off, and I put them away in a container so I could use them next time. After a quick sand, because ladies, I've told you once, I've told you a million times, it's easier to sand the dirt off than to wash the dirt off. I did tape it off, which you have no idea. This is a big deal for me. I guess I wanted to look impressive, because usually I just get paint all over the glass and scrape it off afterwards. I am using my Rust-Oleum chalked paint in linen white, and I ended up having to give this about 2.5 coats total, and I did sand lightly in between each coat. I'm staining my blocks in a watered down burnt umber. It is the best quick drying stain you can mix up. Again, I did about 2 to 2.5 coats, just depending on how well the wood took the stain. I cut out my X's and O's on the Cricut so I could get nice uniform ones for all the different blocks. I used the font The Skinny from dafont.com. When they were all finished, I went ahead and gave everything a top coat of Mod Podge. Now we have a new treasured family game to hang out in our family room. Now you guys, I always share my fails with you, and this one's no different. I missed staining one of the blocks. And you know what? I'm leaving it that way, because DIY, like I always tell you, is real, and this is very real. I really hope you enjoyed this Trash to Treasure as much as we're going to enjoy playing it. January 17th, we will have a whole playlist of creative content for you on Trash to Treasure. And while Izzy and I hang out with our new game, why don't you hop on over to the Schwowin's Nest and check out Sandra's amazing videos.